Okay, children. Last time I have done the planetary winds. I have told you that we have got four types of winds. So, one of the wind we have done the planetary winds, the three types of planetary winds, that is the trade winds, westerlies, and the polar easterlies, which I have done. Today I am going to do the second wind, that is a periodical wind. Now, why it is called a periodical wind? Because they change the directions during a particular time of the day or a particular time of a year, and that is why they are called a periodical wind. Now, examples of periodical winds are land breeze, sea breeze, monsoon winds, and we have the mountain breeze as well as the valley breeze. Now, let's do one by one. So, what is a sea breeze? Now, during the daytime, the land gets intensely heated. Now, as I've already told you, the land gets heated by the process of conduction, whereas a water body gets heated by the process of convection. Means the land gets heated very fast and cools down very fast, whereas a water body takes a long time to get heated and also takes a long time to get cooled down. So during the daytime, that is when the sun shines, that is the land gets intensely heated. At the same time, the water bodies do not get heated at the same rate. So, the air surrounding the land also gets heated. As they get heated, they rise up, creating an area of a low pressure. So, since the land has a low pressure, they are attracted. That is, the cool sea breeze is attracted towards the land, as we have come to know that the water bodies still have the high pressure. So we know that the wind from the sea blows towards the land. And this blowing of the wind from sea towards the land from morning till evening is called the sea breeze. Now, at night, what happens is that the land cools down very fast, which I've already told you. Now they have a high pressure, but by the time the sea has gained enough amount of heat, so they develop a low pressure. So attracted by the low pressure of the sea, the wind from the land blows towards the sea. That is, the wind blowing from the land to the sea is called a land breeze. So this is how the sea breeze and the land breeze blows. So during the daytime, the wind is blowing from sea to the land, and at night time the wind is blowing from land to the sea. And this land breeze and the sea breeze have a moderating effect, especially on the coastal climatic conditions. That is, the places located near the coastal areas will have a moderate type of climate. So this is one type of your periodic wind. Now the second periodic wind is the monsoon wind. Take for example, that is India. All right. So what happens, that is when the sun is vertically overhead at the Tropic of Cancer, that is on June 21st, slowly the temperature starts to increase. So the major part, as you have come to know, this is, you have the Arabian Sea, you have the Bay of Bengal, you have the Indian Ocean, which we have done, that the land gets heated very fast and cools down very fast. The water body takes a long time to get heated. So in the month of May, June, the land gets intensely heated, so they will develop a low pressure. But by the time the water bodies still have the low temperature, so they have a high pressure. So attracted by the low pressure, the wind starts to blow from the southwest direction. So wind starts to blow from which direction? From the southwestern direction. All right. Southwestern direction. So as the wind blows from sea to the land, they pick up plenty amount of moisture and give rainfall to major part of your India, that is during the summer season. Now in winter season, when the sun is vertically overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn, what happens over here is, that is, the sun is where? And the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere is getting the oblique rays of the sun. So as they get the oblique rays of the sun, so the land gets cooled down very fast, so they will develop a high pressure. That means the temperature is low and the pressure becomes high in the winter season. But by the time the water bodies have gained enough amount of heat, so they will have a low pressure and the temperature becomes high. Temperature is high and the pressure becomes low. So in the winter season, the wind starts to blow from where? From the land towards your sea. They starts to blow from land towards the sea. So as they blow from land to the sea, they do not pick up any moisture, they do not give any rainfall, except in places when they cross the Bay of Bengal, when some of the wind cross the Bay of Bengal, they pick up some moisture and give rainfall to the Coromandel coast. This part of the eastern part of India, southeastern part of India, is known as the Coromandel coast, and that is what also what we call the Tamil Nadu coast gets rainfall in the winter season. That is how the monsoon wind is affecting the climate of a place. And we have the mountain breeze as well as the valley breeze. Thank